Now that we have that on our page, so let's have a look here again. Just the on and off, they're just kind of placeholders at the moment. Don't look at them major at all, but they are actually going to turn into our little button or a little description states of whether something is on or off. So next I'm just going to put in a BR tag just to give me a little bit more room moving down here on the page. And the next thing I must do is incorporate the core Firebase SDK kit. So SDK kit stands for Software Development Kit. So I'm just going to put in a little comment here. Core Firebase JavaScript SDK Software Development Kit is always required and must be listed first. So this is the version of Firebase that you're kind of using and the connections to it. So to put this in, it's a bit messy here trying to put this in. So we're going to go with script src equals https :/www.gstatic.com /Firebase Firebase JS /7.0.0/Firebase.js, and I think that's finally it. And don't forget to close off your script tag there and also your end script tag. So that's it. So secure hypertext transfer protocol. We need to put this in here. It must always be listed first, and when we say listed first is listed before you deal with any other JavaScript. So you have this here getting ready to connect to your external JavaScript script, which will do the interactivity for you. So see you in the next video to start dealing with that JavaScript page.